Oma far away here, and like so many of you at home, haven't been anywhere for a while, but I'm coping fine, and some aren't, which is really sad. But right now it's a funny world in which we are trying to adapt to new things and rediscover some of the hobbies that we may have had, and the patience that we're short of. My son and daughter-in-law have 4 children, and thank goodness she's teacher by profession. But it'd be really difficult to keep everyone happy. Those 4 are the youngest ones of all my grandchildren. My daughter and her husband have 3 older ones, and my other son in Australia. Yet they're all grown, you see. My youngest son is the one with the youngest family because he started later than the rest. So, yeah, I think all of them are coping well in their own way in the situations that they're in. My grandson in Australia is working still. So that's, yeah. Well, you just give that some extra thought, really. The situation they're all in. I mean, I'm in the Netherlands, and you know, it's so different here. We're a very small country. We do have 17 million people here, but a small country, so everything's close at hand. You know, a phone call and you're there. It's just the kilometres are not very far between point A and point B, whereas in New Zealand, the distance is further, and in Australia further still. So, yeah, everyone has their own situation to cope with, which makes it different everywhere. But anyway, here I am in my room, in my woman cave, and do check out the video. Really nice. Our last trip away was to our province, Zeeland, in Berghamstede. And I did manage to post those videos, so yeah, they're there too. And now I'm struggling a wee bit. I've got lots of photos. And before I started making YouTube videos, I only took photos. I've been taking photos since I was about 12, and I love it. And not that I'm an expert at it, but I just like to capture things. I don't use any tools to make them look even better than what they were at the moment that I took them, but it is what it is at the moment that my shutter goes click. But anyway, so I've got all these photos, and I'm struggling a wee bit. I'm trying to make a nice video for you of the photos of 2012 of Tenerife. It was lovely. It was the first time we went there, and it was absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, it's hard. But I'm sitting here in a lovely space and very comfortable and trying to concentrate. How do you concentrate? Does it work? Do you manage to do the tasks that you set yourself in the morning? So I find that I'm kind of flitting from thing to thing like a butterfly. I mean, I've got a very comfortable home, and you know, I've got all the comforts, and I don't have to work. I don't have to log in to anything. I just have to keep myself occupied and do stuff, and you know, and I do, and I'm quite busy with things. I bake and I cook. I've done the washing. I stripped the bed today, and my brother-in-law lives 1 floor up from us, and I do his washing and things and vacuuming and stuff. So I did that. He is working from home, so he's got a laptop from work, and he just signs in and does his thing. So that's good, and he can eat with us. He doesn't have to go out. Like, he just hops out of his door, down 1 set of stairs, and he walks into our place. So it's not like he's, in any danger as far as that's concerned. But, you know, we've just got to make the most of it. And I am finding it, yeah, not stressful, but I'm getting a wee bit sort of running out of ideas. I've been making puzzles, really enjoying that. And, you know, I used to puzzle a lot. And then I kind of stopped. That one's upside down, but never mind. And I really, yeah, got to concentrate. And I'm very lucky because I also have a puzzle mate, and so I can just pop it in there and just take it off the table when the time is right. So yes, it's trying to fill my days with purpose. I won't believe this, but this is an apple and lemon meringue pie. I had a couple of apples that didn't look too healthy, and I only had about half a cupful of lemon meringue left and a little bit of pastry, so I decided to combine the lot. There's always too much meringue anyway, so another chore done. A bit warm here now in the kitchen, and husband is cooking dinner. Yes, so I've done my share. I've done the dessert, he can do the main course. That's how we fill our time. And not that at the end of it I say I've run out of time, because I sure want to sort out this or tidy up that. I've never had such tidy drawers as I have at the moment. And for some of you it'll be the same, cupboards cleaned out. And maybe you've vacuumed more often or done something that you normally sort of shove aside because you're not really keen. But anyway, hang in there, people, and eventually the world will find its equilibrium again, and not so much return to normal, because there is no such thing as normal, but we'll learn to live with the situation that we've, that's upon us now. So, yeah, it'd be nice to be able to just hop in the car and go and visit friends and family that I can't visit now. And I do look forward to that day, though, that freedom, that feeling of freedom, even if I don't go anywhere, just knowing I can. So be strong, people, and don't lose your tempers, because we're all in this together.